Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out. Full body workout for today. Step by step, my channel is growing. I'm very thankful for this. So let's work out. Let's inhale deeply first and let's move forward. Inhale first. Exhale. Don't forget to inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. One more. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay. Rotate your wrist inside, arms inside. Log them a little bit. We're gonna warm up quick, and then we're gonna start our class. Outside a little bit, then inside. Try to keep arms straight as possible. Warm up your wrists even more if you are living in the cold, or like today is cold when you are working out. Take care about your wrists, is very important. Okay, what we're gonna start with: rotate your pelvis, engage your core, lower back, arms on the ground. We're gonna elevate our knees first. We're gonna go down dog and then back, down dog and then back. What I want to mention here is keep your core, lower back always locked, lengthening for the spine, push your body back. We're gonna do 20. Inhale first. Knees are not touching the ground. 20. Let's work. And back. 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5. Breathe. 6, 7. Nice. 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Go ahead. 2. Push. 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last one, hold a few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and knees down. Okay, inhale deeply first. Exhale. Okay, we continue the next one. We're gonna elevate our knees off the ground and we're gonna work with thoracic spine. So we're gonna open our right arm towards the side, bring it back, and another one. Here we go, 12. Let's work, 6 each side. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and release. Nice one. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. The next one will be, we're gonna push down, push up from plank position. Also, we're gonna bend our legs. So first, rotate the pelvis, legs, knees are on the ground. We're gonna elevate our knees. We're gonna jump back, push down, push up, jump forward. This is one. Jump back, push down, push up, jump forward. Nice and smooth. Please try to keep your body like with one level. Don't elevate your hip too much, too high. Inhale deeply first. Then you need to exhale. Then you have one more deep inhale. Exhale. Okay, arms on the ground. Rotate the pelvis, lock your core, lower back, elevate your knees. Let's work back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome, release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, the next one we're gonna add hip mobility with conditioning. Right arm placed on the ground, right foot, drive it forward, elevate your leg, left leg from the ground and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we're gonna bend your left leg, we're gonna lean towards the side, and then we're gonna back and stretch. 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 11, 12. And then we'll switch. Left leg, drive forward, push, right, elevate, hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The same. You bend, you drive. 1, 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, breathe. 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12, 3, 2, 1, and release. Nice one. It was quick, a nice warm up. Okay, moving forward, we're gonna stand up. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Left leg towards the chest. Hold 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Then you switch. Right one. 3. Push up. 2, 1, and release. Open your legs wide a little bit. Toes outside. Drive your hip backwards a little bit. Lengthening through your hamstrings. Holds 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice and smooth. Squat down as low as possible. Push your knees outside and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Nice one. The next one, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do lunge, but we're gonna do on each side. So first, open your legs wider. We're gonna rotate towards the right, lunge. Then we're gonna switch side, and then we're gonna lunge. Nice and easy. Please make sure you are touching with your knees the ground. Work smooth, don't be rushed. 20, inhale deeply first. Towards the right side first, let's work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more. 1, go ahead. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. Okay, well done with this. Moving forward with Cossack squats. Open your legs wider. From here, we're gonna drive our hip backwards, so the right side, the right leg is working, hamstrings, butt. Here we go, 12 on each leg. Let's work. And down, move your hip backwards, 2, as low as possible, 3, 4, try to keep your butt as backwards as possible, 6, 7, go ahead, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, and then you switch left. 1, go ahead, 2, nice, 3, keep working, 4, push, 5, push, 6, nice, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12, and back up. Awesome. Inhale deeply first. Then I'm gonna exhale. One more. Then exhale. Okay, the next one we're gonna do Curtsy lunge with squat. So we're gonna, from the right side, we're gonna squat using the right leg, middle, and then left leg, and then middle, and then right leg. Here we go. Left, right, 20. Inhale deeply first. Let's go. Great. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Go ahead. 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Awesome. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, we are adding core in our workout. So you're black. Go away from here. Straight legs in front. Then we're gonna add core. Open the other side of your legs. Engage your core low back from here. We're gonna drive forward and open. Forward and open. Here we go. 20. And 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. 7. Squeeze. 8. Squeeze. 9. 10. 10 more. 1. Go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. Grab your legs, open them towards the side, and just breathe. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs together towards the left side. With your left arm, you push your knee towards the ground. Feel the stretch in your lumbar spine. 3, 2, 1. Then you switch. Hold 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, my friends. Nice one. We are done. Quick workout, full body. You can do anytime, anywhere. Wish you all the best. Don't complain. Your body is your clock. Peace out.